Hello and welcome to the ultimate test of your money smarts. This is the 100 Bob Showdown. Now look around. Most people think you need a massive bank account or some high net worth status just to start investing. But today, we are completely blowing that myth out of the water. We've got two incredible contestants going head to head in a wild game of higher or lower. The rules are simple, but the stakes are mind-flipping. We are pinning everyday Kenyan essentials. We're talking your favorite street food, daily matatu fare, and household commodities directly against real-time fractional stock prices live on the Hisa app. Can you actually become a global or local shareholder for less than the cost of your daily commute? Let's find out. Contestants, one boiled egg with kachumbari costs you exactly 25 shillings. Is the market price of one full share of Safaricom higher or lower than your street snack?
Higher.
It's higher. Yeah, Safaricom is high.
Is
Okay.
the first person to say,
Is it the first person to say?
So Gertrude has said higher. So in the next round, you're gonna start.
Okay,
Yeah,
but it's higher.
it's higher.
Uh-huh.
Okay. The answer is higher. It is a trick question to open the game. While people assume stocks are always out of reach, a share of Safaricom is only slightly more expensive than an egg, sitting at 31 shillings, 31.5 shillings as of this recording. Now this question is for Joe.
No.
Question 2. The rush hour matatu fare. So peak hour evening matatu fare from Nairobi CBD to a nearby estate. The estimated cost is about 100 shillings.
Yeah.
Okay. And we will be comparing that to a full share of Equity Group Holdings PLC. When rain hits Nairobi at 6 p.m., that matatu fare home easily spikes to a flat 100 shillings. Is the price of owning one full share of Equity Bank higher or lower than that one-way commute?
1 week.
No, one
just
week.
that one
week. Is it higher than 100 shillings or lower than 100 shillings?
It's lower. It's lower than 100.
What's your estimated guess?
I've said it's lower. So I think that's what happened. I know it's lower.
It's lower?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Very.
Okay, so you got that right. A single share of Equity Group Holding is trading at 77.25 shillings.
Yeah.
As of today, your ride home tonight is literally consuming more cash than buying a piece of a massive financial tier 1 asset.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That was the street food round.
Okay.
We're matched up 1-1. Okay, the next round, the supermarket basket. A standard 2 kg packet of premium maize flour, unga. The estimated local cost is 180 shillings. So we'll start with Gertrude. You head to the supermarket shelves and pick up a basic 2 kg packet of premium unga for 180 shillings. On Hisa, you can buy a fractional piece of global innovators like Apple or Tesla for a minimum of $1 USD. Is that international stock entry threshold higher or lower than the price of the unga?
Lower.
Why lower?
Because $1 USD is around 129, 130 shillings. Therefore, it is lower.
Okay.
You gave her leaking.
What?
You said $1. I mean, who doesn't know that the dollar is lower than 180?
That was
Yeah,
the
that's
question. So the correct answer is lower. She got it correct.
Come on.
I gave her a very hard one though.
Was that hard?
Not many people know the conversion rate. Not
Okay.
many people know.
Okay. So
Yeah. So it's lower. The US dollar entry
invest
point.
with Hisa. You didn't know.
It's lower. The US dollar entry point sits at 129.4 shillings, making it significantly cheaper to buy into a global tax system than to fund a basic dinner ingredient. Joe, this question is for you.
Okay.
And we will be comparing the breakfast loaf.
Uh-huh.
So, a standard 400-gram loaf of everyday white sliced bread costs 65 shillings. And we'll be comparing this to one full share of KCB Group PLC. A simple loaf of bread for your morning tea costs about 65 shillings at the local kiosk.
Yeah.
Is the current stock market price for one full share of KCB Bank higher or lower than that single loaf of bread?
She's also thinking. This is tough.
It's a tough one.
65 shillings. Equity was around 70, right? I think it's lower.
It's lower.
Yeah, than 65.
Have you locked in your final answer?
Yes.
Yes. So that is incorrect. So
They're matching, right? But that's what I was saying. I was trying to compare with equity.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the correct answer is higher.
Uh-huh.
The stock price of the KCB Group is the share price goes for 69.5 shillings.
Okay.
So it was kind of close to the equity one.
Pretty close.
Yeah. One share of KCB is trading at 69.5 shillings, meaning it barely edges out the loaf of bread. A banking giant is valued almost identically to a single breakfast item. But, it was very close.
Yeah.
Very, very close. 65 and 69 shillings. With those two rounds done,
It's too long.
Gertrude is leading.
I will come back.
You'll come back.
Boicha.
So this round is the weekend plan and lifestyle. This deals with fast food cheat meals.
Okay.
A standard quarter chicken and chips meal from a popular Nairobi fast food outlet
Yeah.
would say about 480 shillings for 80. And
Where do you guys eat? That's quite expensive.
quarter chicken and chips.
Chips and chicken up at Tao, you'll get for like what? 300?
300.
Anyway, let's use
Yeah,
it for 80.
okay.
Yeah, it's only
So we'll be matching that price with one full share of EABL.
I think the drinkers should know this. That question should go to Gertrude. I don't drink. Do not partake.
Yeah, partake. So grabbing a quick weekend lunch of a quarter chicken and chips runs you about 400 shillings.
Yeah.
Is the cost of buying a permanent share of EABL higher or lower than that of a single fast food meal?
It's lower.
It's lower.
Yeah.
You locked in your answer?
I have.
And that is correct.
Yes.
Okay.
And I do not partake, guys.
So, a full share of EABL on the exchange sits at 244.25. You literally could buy 2 full corporate shares of EABL for the price of one fast food chicken lunch.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
New Year's resolutions, huh?
Very drink you much.
No, so you don't eat fast food. We're trying to slim.
Okay.
You're buying shares.
Buying shares. Okay, so if Gertrude gets this right, we'll go to another round.
If.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because now you guys will be tied. If she gets it wrong, you guys will be tied.
Yeah, we'll be tied, yeah.
For this category, the cafe coffee date. Now the question is, meeting a friend for a quick catch up over a premium latte and a pastry leaves you with a cafe bill of roughly 570 shillings. Over on the Hisa app, you can deploy a $5 portfolio block to hold fractional shares of Netflix and Google simultaneously. Is that global portfolio entry higher or lower than your cafe bill?
Higher.
Higher?
Under 10.
Okay, we've locked in your answer. Do you think she's correct?
You know, it's a competition. So I'm going to say she's wrong.
She's wrong.
But I think she's right. She's smart.
Yes. So you're asking whether the bill is higher or lower than the value of that portfolio?
I'm asking if the market price of that portfolio is higher or lower than the bill.
Higher.
Higher. That is correct.
I mean, you already gave her it was one USD.
No. Just accept. I'm better at this.
Simple math.
I'm better at this.
Simple math.
Okay.
And so
the $5 investment block costs exactly 647 shillings. This keeps the game highly competitive by showing that while global micro portfolios are cheap, they do require just a tiny bit more sacrifice than a basic coffee run. So,
wait, should some of the coffee cost how much?
570.
Oh, 570.
570.
Okay. No, I think she should also do the multiplication. If she gets the multiplication wrong, then she doesn't get that point. What's 5 times 130?
Anyway. Yeah.
I don't know as well.
I wrote that one.
650.
Yeah, 650.
650.
Yeah.
So,
By 80 bob.
So,
Some amazing thing.
so, with those rounds done, Gertrude wins this first episode of the 100 Bob Showdown. And because she wins, Joe, you have to do a forfeit. So,
smile up aside. We will.
It's okay. A money transfer.
Okay.
M-Pesa.
Pesa.
transfer.
Yeah.
Let's talk on Hisa.
Just one.
This one.
Me.
Okay.
Just one.
Interesting.
So, which one didn't you get correct? It was
It was the one for KCB.
KCB.
Yeah.
So, I think you just have to buy Gertrude shares on the Hisa app today. How many? How many will you buy for her?
See, we had agreed it was one.
One share.
Yeah, one share.
So
Start small.
start small.
Yeah. We'll start small.
Start small.
We'll start small.
69.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
69, round down.
No.
69 shillings.
No. 70.
so with that done, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of the 100 Bob Showdown.
Bye guys.